Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. And this is transporter with DoorDash. I locked my keys in the vehicle. And what do? I'm trying to get in touch with DoorDash. I'm keeping in contact with the customer. And I'm walking back and forth, thinking I dropped them. So I spent about 10 minutes going back and forth. They're not there. And I can't get into the vehicle. And what happened is, once I got to Wegmans, I pulled the key out of the ignition, and then I went up here and went to fill out my ledger. Well, somehow or other, the keys slid down beside the seat, and I still don't know how I manually locked the door without my keys in my hand. I don't usually do that. I don't do that. So I had that one issue, and thank God I was getting ready to. They had to have this stuff here by 3:45, and I'm at like 3:38, and I'm getting ready to break windows. And I said, well, let's see if the rear hatch window will open. And I hit it, and it came open, and that was it. Freaking adrenaline just rolled. I climbed across everything, got in here, looking, and somehow or other it slid down beside the seat. And so of course alarms and everything went off inside the vehicle and all that stuff, because you opened it from the rear. I didn't know it would do that, but anyway, I got here right a minute late, so I don't know. I don't care, but he was all happy, and he I'm happy because I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work from here. I need to be riding down the road with broken window. Especially when it's getting ready to freaking rain. But I can't. If the keys were in the ignition, the car won't lock. But they were out. So all I can say is keep track of your keys. Keep them in your hand. I sat down to do the ledger, and oh man. I put the keys down, and that was it. And I still don't know how I manually locked the keys in there, but I'm excited. My freaking adrenaline's going. So I believe this is the end of today's run. I made $62. I can't complain on that. It's 3:53. I am 12 miles away from unfortunately. I think maybe I'm only about 6. I'm about 6 miles away from my reigniting. So I've also got to head to work here in 45 minutes. So I think I'm just going to leave it like it is right now. And when I get into my transport pickup zone. If I don't get anything going out of town, then I'll stop. So, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm not going to jinx anybody. I definitely don't want it happening to you. Okay. I was like 3 miles back from that last episode with the loss of my keys. Jeez. And Walmart hit me up. So yeah, what the heck. So I'm here waiting. Just roll in and punch that you've arrived, and then just go scroll down what it wants you to tell you. And then it'll tell you what wants to know what stall you're in. Just punch in my case it's 5 right now. Punch it in there and submit, and it automatically goes to them. They know you're here. So unfortunately, we're in Canandaigua, and we have a great big lake. So about 3 o'clock every day, we have a thunderstorm. And that's what I'm looking at right now. It's currently 4:17, and hopefully get out here in a minute here, and then it'll be the end of this. I've got 2 hours to get this delivered and to work. So Been an exciting day. Little bit of stress, say the least, and you lose your keys. Wow, it's coming down good right now. We got about 15 mile an hour winds. Looks like she's got something coming out. I don't know what it's mine. All right, I am done for the day. It is 4:46. This last one took me 6 miles out of my delivery pickup area. So I'll be heading back, but I'm all done. It's 4:46, and I've been doing this since 11:30. Let's see, 70 miles of driving around, not including getting here and then leaving. That's about another 118. So 70 miles of driving. 7.2, and yes, I know I gotta go to work. 5,000. I keep track of my beginning mileage and ending mileage total on the your regular mileage counter, not your individual your trip meter. I put down my total mileage of the vehicle before I start, and then the total mileage of the vehicle when I end. But yet I set my trip when I start doing my run, so I know how many miles around that I did, not getting here or going home, but when I start my first run. So it was $70. And my income today was $68. So 68 something. All right, so it was a trip, especially losing my keys. So check your back. See if you can pop your back hatch if something like that happens. Your alarm system's gonna go off, but hey, you can get in without busting the windows out. I didn't know I could do that. I thought the minute it was locked, that would disable the window hatch. You can't open the whole tailgate, but you can pop the latch and climb your butt in there, unlock the door. I still don't know how I do that. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and I'm out of here.